This would be a real good rock to cut open. It's kind of pretty just like it is. Yeah, Bob decided that I should go ahead and cut this. So we're going to do a fine and cut on this. Oh, Listwanite. That will be interesting. Okay, I'm going to start out with this Listwanite. And looks like there's a chance it might break up when I'm cutting it. I'm just going to cut it lengthwise and see what happens. Okay, you ready? Ready for the big reveal? Oh, oh, that is gorgeous. Wow. Sweet, sweet, sweet. When I was cutting this one, the last of it broke off. And so I'm going to leave that so it fits together. And I think that could kind of sit on a shelf and that could be revealed to someone. I think I might go ahead and put a finish there. And then this one, it broke just a little bit right there. I'm going to go ahead and make this one into a pendant. I kind of like this side better. And I don't want to do it like this. It is pretty cool that way though, actually. Yeah, well, I think I am going to have to do it like this. It just looks cooler. I didn't want to put the hole through that and have it break, but I'm going to go ahead and try that. Okay, I just got through putting the hole in and taking it down a little more with the 60 grit. And I'm going to go ahead and go through some grits, probably like 220, 340, 600, 3,000, something like that. But not going to bore you with that. And we'll see how we're looking. I'm going to string that up with some leather here. momentarily. I did the bottom of these two, and this is the front side. I did do the back, but I'm considering this the front. And this is my piece. Sweet! Thank you, Bob. Yeah, I'm going to cut it up. About a third of it. Let's see, lights. I see people asking about lights and Jade lights. And go on Amazon, search Jade flashlight. You'll see something like this. And it's got a number of different lights on it, which is cool. Yeah, I can't really hold this up since I'm holding this in my hand. But see, it's really got some nice translucency. And this is the one I like for home use. I actually have another one. I don't have it with me, but it's got a smaller beam, and it's still in their Jade flashlight, and then it has a little thing you can screw on. That's a really small hole, so you can really get a really defined spot. And so when I polish these, you know, you've seen me, I got my high-tech 10-inch saw, and then I've got their high-tech 8-inch flat lap, and then I made this myself. And then I have every single disc that high-tech makes. And what I generally use is, this doesn't come in any of the kits. I use the 60 grit, and typically this 220 grit, and then probably 600, and then this time I used 1200, and then 3000, and then I went to a cerium oxide wheel. But normally I'd do like the 60 and the 220, and then I'd put them in the tumbler. And the tumbler setup I have is I buy these Raytech motors just separate, and they're 10 pound for a 10-pound tumbler. And then I instead buy these bowls, and I have specific bowls for different grits, and these are basically ultra vibe bowls. I have small 4-pound bowls, but nice thing about these is you put it in for 2 days on coarse grit, 1 day on medium, and 1 day on fine, and you are done 4 days. And so, like I said, I'd go 60 on this, and then hit the 220, and then I'd throw it in the tumbler. And it'll come out super nice. Once in a while, something will break. But then that way, too, I can do many at a time. So I'll just shape them, put the holes in, everything, and get a bunch done. So I think that about wraps her up, except for, yeah, I want to string that. Okay, I got it strung up here. Pendant. I can see there's some metal. You can see it kind of glittering there in the middle. Definitely got metal in it, and also see it. We got to thank new member of the club, Bob, went on the field trip with us and found this and wanted me to cut it open, and so I did, and also made him a pendant. So he's got some stuff, and then he gave me about a third of it so I can make myself something, and so that's real nice. And so anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. Uncle Nudge, I'll see you next time.